my everyday skincare routine. So let's start. I started with a mineral water with oils makeup remover from Garnier, which is really good for my face. I started it with a cleaning wipe remover makeup thing, I don't know what it's called, and start taking my makeup off. After that, I tried to throw in the trash can, but I missed, and I also make a mess with the makeup remover, just like all over the sink. Then we move over to the charcoal detox facial soap bar, which smells like mint and is amazing. I try to wash my face, but the water is like so hot, so I just pour water in my hands and rub it all over my face. After that, I make like circle movements so the bubbles can start spreading and wash my face and talks. I make an effort to actually wash my face with hot water, so then when I look like a wet chicken nugget, I dry myself with this towel just by pressing it gently. I had to get my hydrating cream from the refrigerator, so I am also wearing a One Direction t-shirt. Oh yeah. This is a hydrating creamer face that smells like cucumber and is amazing. I dry it so I can move over to the next step, which is this face mask that also helps my sits. I wet my index finger and start grabbing that green face mask. I started selecting it and pressing it all over my sits or acne scars all over my face. Then here we are. I look good. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I make videos every Friday. Oh, also subscribe, which is the buttons down there below, so I hope you enjoy it.